Hey there, fellow traders. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down complex trading topics into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're tackling how to see the Bank Nifty chart in Zerodha for 2025. If you're new to trading or just want a quick refresher, this guide is perfect for you. Bank Nifty is a key index tracking banking stocks on the NSE, and viewing its chart on Zerodha can help you spot trends and make informed decisions. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the Zerodha Kite app installed on your device and that you're logged in with your credentials. It's super user-friendly, so no worries if you're a beginner. Once you're in, head to the main dashboard. Look for the Charts icon. It's usually at the bottom or top menu, represented by a graph symbol. Tap on it to open the charting section. Next, in the search bar at the top of the charts page, type Bank Nifty and hit enter. Zerodha's Smart Search will pull up the Bank Nifty index chart instantly. You'll see a default candlestick chart, but you can customize it to your liking. For example, switch to a line chart or add indicators like moving averages by clicking on the settings gear icon. This is where the fun begins. Zoom in on time frames, from 1-minute intervals to daily views, depending on your trading style. One tip: always check the chart's time period to ensure it's updated for 2025 data. Zerodha pulls real-time data, but double-check for any delays during market hours. If you're analyzing for long-term trends, use the Studies tab to overlay tools like RSI or MACD. There you have it. That's how you view the Bank Nifty chart in Zerodha. By following these steps, you'll be analyzing market movements like a pro in no time. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more trading tips, and hit the bell icon for updates. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.